lot number 417, Mercedes-Benz 280 SL convertible. Lots of work done, all the paperwork's in the office. We've got a service book with 23 entries in it, and that goes up to 103,000 miles. It's had 4 owners only, I'm straight in at £7,200. It looks a lovely, lovely Mercedes for that sort of money. 7.4, 7.6, 7.6, only bid at 78, 78, I'm bid, we're in the room. At 78, I'll take 8 bid at £8,000. 8.2, 8.2, only bid at 8.2, the bid, we're back in the room. 8.4, get you all the end. 8.6 down here, you bid in 8.8, £8,800 at 8.8, 9,000 here. That 9,000, that 9,000, no, it's in the room at 9,000, 9.1, I don't mind. 9.2's on the net. I got 9.3, just beat you. 9.4 over the back at 9.5. Lovely looking Merc at 9.5, 9.6. 9.6, I'm bid at 9.6. At 9.6, at 9,000, 7. 9.7 the bid at 9.7. At 9.7 you both there, 8. 9.8 bid, £9,800 only bid at 9.8 the bid. 9.9. Do you want £10,000? At £10,000. Thank you, sir. 10.1. 10.1 on bid, 10.2 straight back at 10.2. 10.3. We've got some on the phone now. At 10.4. At 10.4. You bidding, sir? 10.5. 10,005. On the 10.6. 10,006. You're out on the phone? At 10,007. 10.7. 10,008. 10.8. The bid's with me now. At 10.8, 10.9 for the first. At 10,900 for the second. Third and final time. That's yours on the telephone.
Not 444 now. Here's the 1992 Mercedes 300 SL. 24 auto, this one. First registered 1992. It's MOT till May next year. Where are we going to go with this one then? I've got to go straight in. 2.5 at 2005. At 2.5 I'm bid there now, then a 2.5 I'm bid. At £2,500 I'm bid there now, then a 2.5. At 2,500, 2.6. At 2.6 I'm bid now, 2.7. At 2.7 I'm bid there now, then a 2007. At 2.7 I'm bid there now, 2.8. At 2.8 I'm bid now, then a 2.8. At 2008, 2.9. At 2009 I'm bid. At 2.9, £3,000 I'm bid here now, then a 3,000. At £3,000 I'm bid there now. Look at £3,000 I'm bid here now. It is going once. 3,000, you're sure it is now going twice. It is provisional. 3,000 for the last. That's provisional with you, Internet.
457, gentlemen, is the lot number on this one. The Mercedes SL350 automatic convertible. 2003, it's MOT until October. Well, the roof works. Apparently they only had to spend a few quid, £900 to get it to work, but it works perfectly now. There you go. Well, I'm straight in. At 1,800 £, and that'll be for nothing if it's anything like that. At 1,800, 19, 2,000, 2,000 only bid. At 2.1, at 2.1 I'm bid at 2,100. At 2,100, at 21 the bid. At 22, at 2,400, 2.5 I'm bid. 26, 27, 2.7 I'm bid. 28, at £2,800. We're back on the net then for the first, second, third and final time. 28.
Lot 477 it is showing there is the 2004 Mercedes SL350 automatic. Was a category N back in 25 in May of this year, but it's driver survivor, great car still, showing just 75,000 miles. Where are we going to go with this one? It's here to sell, and I'm straight in. 2008. At 2.8 I'm bid now, then a 2008. At £2,900 I'm bid there now, then a 2.9. 3. At £3,000 I'm bid here now, then a 3.1. At 3.1 it's back in the 3.2. At 3.2 I'm bid here now, then a 3,002. It's online, 3.3. At £3,300 I'm bid there now, it is going once. 3.3 it is now going twice out the door, we're selling at 3.3. That's yours, 3.3. Lot 483 is a 1994 Mercedes SL320 automatic there. MOT expired in June 2024 though, so a bit of recommission will be required. Showing just 105,000 miles there. It's here to sell, no reserve. 1,600. That's £1,600 I'm bid for a low start there at £1,600 bid. At 1,600, look, 1,700, 1,800. At 1,800, 1,900, 2,000 bid. At 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. At £2,300 I'm bid there now. 4. at 2.5. £2,500 is on sale out the door, and it goes then at £2,500 for the last. 2.5. That's yours, Internet. Thank you. Showing there is the 2004 Mercedes SL350 Auto. This one, it's got some history there with a recent expenditure, showing just 3 registered keepers, 62,000 miles. It's here to sell. 3.6 at £3,600 unbid there now, then a 3.6 at £3,600 unbid there now, then a 3.6. Looking for 7 quick anywhere, but at 3,006 at £3,600 unbid there. 3.7 at 3.7 unbid there now, then 3.8 3.8 3.9 at 3.9. It's in the room at £3,900 unbid there now, then a 3.9. Looking 4 quick anywhere, but at 3.9 at £3,900. It is there now, going once. £3,900. You're sure it is now, going twice. My gavel's up and you're buying it. 4 at £4,000 at 4,000 unbid there now, then at 4,000 at £4,000 unbid there. 4.1 at 4.1 unbid there now, then at 4,001 at 4.1 unbid there now. Still in front. Jen takes it at 4.1. It is once, twice. It going 4.1. Yours, Jen, is the 1985 Mercedes 380 SL. Here to sell, no reserve, £1,000 unbid. At £1,000 unbid here now, then £1,000 bid. Looking for 1,100 quick anywhere, 1,100 at £1,100 unbid here now, then 1,100, 1,200 at £1,200 unbid there now, then a £1,200 bid. 1,300, 1,400, 15. 16 at 17 at £1,700, 18 at £1,800 unbid there now, then at 1,800, 2,000 bid at £2,000 unbid, 121 at 2.1 unbid, 2.2 at £2,200 unbid there now, then at 2.2 at £2,200 unbid here, 2.3 2.4 2.5 at £2,500, 2.6 at £2,600 it is. That's yours, net at 2.6. Then we go on to lot 540 is the 1973 Mercedes C107 SLC Auto. This one, 4 spares or parts. This car, it's here to sell. There's no reserve. Where are we going to go? 500 for it. £300 for it. £300 for a quick anywhere. Have we all gone to sleep? £200 for it. £200 unbid there now, then a £200 bid. At £200 unbid there now, then a 200, and I'll take a 50. It's a £200 my bid's there, then a £200 that is there now, going once, 50. Here now, then a 250. It is going once, twice. Out the door, it's selling online at 250 for the last. Yours net 250.
Thank you very much. On we go again, gentlemen. Lot number 625. Internet's been busy on this one. The Mercedes, the SL320 automatic, 1999. It's MOT'd. Listen carefully. April next year, we got service history file with 2 keys in the office. It was driven to the sale. It's got a factory hardtop. You can all see that on there. How cheap you want it. And I'm straight in at £3,600. That 3.6 got the leather trim. Look, that 3,006. I'm going to go away provisionally with this one. 3,600 twice. We're a little way off with that at 3,000. 600 only bid. That's provisional bid, Internet.
Lot 715 is the 2006 Mercedes SL350 automatic. It's got the 7-speed auto with a grey leather interior. Showing just 82,000 miles. Where are we going to go with this one? I've got to go straight in at 3,008. At 3.8 unbid there now, 3.9. At 3.9 unbid there now, then at 3.9. 4,000, 4.1, 4.2. At 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. 4.5, you're buying it. At 4,005, 4.6. At 4.6, £4,700 it is now going white. At 4.8, at 4,800 it is once, twice. Out the door it's selling at 4,008. 4.8, that's yours, Internet. Thank you at 4.8.
717 is the lot number, the Mercedes SL324 van. Listen carefully, we're going to sell it. Roof not working. Roof not working. It's MOT'd until October. In the last 12 months, it's had new stainless steel exhaust, new ignition switch, full brake overhaul, new Exide battery. A lot of money spent in the car. Bid 5,000, 5.2, 5.4. At 5.6 a bid, I'll take 5.8. At 5.8, that's the bid once. Twice. Any further interest? 5.8's provisional.
Car, the Mercedes AMG GT Track Edition is absolutely the car for you. You know, it looks comparatively good value for money, and if you want to, and in the real world, it's got all of the performance that anybody needs. Flat plane crank, they sound incredible when they're on track, and of course, if you want to channel your inner Bernd Mailander Formula One pace car driver moments, this would be the car to buy. So let's see how this one does.
180. Any more bids? Any more bids? At 180, where's the bid? 200 seated. Thank you, sir. 220. 240. Stefan's in at 240. 260. 270. 280. 208. 290,000. At 300,000. Stevie, you're out. At 300,000. 300,000. 4044.